Hi, Chris from Beer Maker. I know you all know Beer Maker can already brew commercial grade beer, but did you know it can also do other things? Like seltzer. Brewing seltzer with the Beer Maker is extremely easy. You need corn sugar, yeast nutrient, and water. As with most beers in the Beer Maker, primary fermentation can be from 7 to 10 days. For seltzer, we're using Quebec yeast, which will shorten that time to 5 days. Here are a few recommendations for additions to your seltzer. You can try orange, lime, or lemon. We recommend using the zest only. You could try adding mango or strawberry. We recommend adding the fruit rough chopped to your brew basket. You could try cucumber mint, or even lavender, or hibiscus petals. One of our favorite discoveries while experimenting with the seltzer recipe was substituting agave syrup for the corn sugar, adding orange zest and lime zest, and creating a margarita flavored seltzer.